kodwa ke usekhulumile uNkulunkulu through incikazi yakhe ebekufanele ngizokusho ukuthi umphongolo lo esimuva nawo obekiwe phakathi kwethu. So it is up to us ukuthi sifuna ukuba obedient or sifuna ukuba disobedient. It is up to us. So I want you guys to sit here nibe nento ethi Can we quickly go to now let us sifunde iscripture esiku John 14 verse 1. Osetholile afunde bazalwane. Angayisho ukuthi sithini kodwa uNkulunkulu ukhuluma ngento yokuthi inhliziyo zethu masingakhathazeki. He is here. Usisintokozo ukade eqalile ekhuluma the very same thing bazalwane. Osesitholile bazalwane ngiyacela samafunda mntakwethu.
Inhliziyo yenu mayingakhathazeki. Kholwani kuNkulunkulu, nikholwe nayimi.
Hallelujah. Izinhliziyo zenu bazalwane ukuthi umoya oyingcwele singakhathazeki ekseni. I don't know ukuthi yini esenhlizweni yakho namhlanje ekseni that is troubling your heart, that is troubling your mind. Kodwa uNkulunkulu besincenga angazi ukuthi kunezinto ezinkulu ebekufanele zenzeke namhlanje, but it doesn't need anyone that has a troubled heart.
Oh my God. Yo. Aya.
Izinhliziyo zenu masingakhathazeki. Please may I ask umamtha mangabe bazalwane ukhona phakathi kwethu kunento that is troubling you and that you are trusting God ukuthi akwenze umusa ngayo namhlanje because this thing has been troubling you. Hallelujah. Nangumoya oyingcwele ethi asize kuye ukuze singabusazokhathazeka ukuthi usisintokozo sizohamba izikhwama zethu zi-empty. Kuzokhishwa konke that is troubling us, and then our God is gonna fill our bags with His joy, with His everlasting joy. Mamthando, please may we come forth and pray. Egameni likaJesu. Ngiyanamukela bazalwane egameni likaJesu. Ngiyanamukela in the presence of the mighty God. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu kuba ukela ngi-disorganized but asikwazi. You know, when we were preparing for this conference, there are so many spaces in that program as the Spirit leads, because we were busy praying njengabantu abasenyameni sifuna abantu abazongena ezikhaleni ezithile nabazokwenza imisebenzi ethile, and we continue to keep on praying ngoba sazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu kusukela unyaka wokuqala ubelokhu esinikeza ukuthi oba labo babona yilabo abashiwo uNkulunkulu. Now ubona khona ukuthi we as the Spirit leads, it's simply because umoya oyingcwele usho njalo. Hallelujah. So can we just surrender everything to umoya oyingcwele? I guess that is why umoya oyingcwele efuna ukuthi inhliziyo zethu zingakhathazeki, because he might want to use you. Because of what is in your heart, because of what is troubling you, and then it's gonna hinder. Ungasikhosi ekseni. Ungasikhosi. Asicela ukukhosa. Maybe you've been to different movements abantu besifazane, but this one is His will. So we strive each and every hour, each and